girls aren't as excited as I am. Course launch day. Launched right now, baby. Today's the day.
It's happening. It's happening. In fact, it already has happened,
Yeah.
Technically.
Our How to Plan Your Epic RV Adventure course is now live.
It is there. It is ready for everybody to learn. Hopefully,
yes,
you'll learn.
We had
I know you will.
A bunch of awesome people volunteer to see it early. We had some people go through it, and I feel like it's in really good shape. We already know what the first updates, actually I already know what the next 5 updates are gonna be.
The hardest decision ever was to decide who gets to help us test it, because there's so many awesome stories.
I know.
And quite honestly, we wanted to pick every one of you.
We did.
But we couldn't.
No.
Well, we didn't and we couldn't. So it's linked above and below. It's valued at $297.
And that's actually a pretty good deal.
Which seems expensive.
For everything you get. I know it seems expensive, but you get the Facebook group, you get so much for that price.
But you're not paying $297.
You're not paying that, no.
You're getting a 70%, that's 70% off of that price, because you're our followers.
Our loyal subscribers. If you're a subscriber to our YouTube channel, you get that price. And if you, the 70% off. And so you can either click above or below to make sure you go to the discounted website.
The link includes the discount code,
yes.
So you won't have to do anything different.
And that discount is gonna be good for 10 days from right now. Ooh. So up until the 22nd, that discount code will be good. And you know why it's 10? Do you know why it's 10?
I don't know why it's 10.
Because we have 10,000 subscribers, and you guys are awesome.
I see what you did there. Yeah. Yes, we have 10,003 or 10,004 or something. That's super cool.
Yes.
You guys are awesome.
You are.
Thank you so much.
And now we will leave you with the trailer for the course.
That's right. And roll it.
Welcome to the How to Plan Your Epic RV Adventure course. My name is Courtney Adcock and I'll be your host. Together with my husband Steve and our 2 dogs, we travel in our 30-foot Airstream around North America, going on epic trips to all sorts of wonderful destinations. But when we started, we had no idea what we were doing. In fact, I had never even been camping before. Over the course of 2.5 years, I learned everything I could about planning an epic RV adventure, often through lots of trial and error. This course distills everything I learned into an easily learnable process. We give you all the links, information, and techniques you'll need to plan your own epic RV adventure, and you can learn it all in less than 2 weeks. This course contains over 14 sections, more than 5 hours of videos and screencasts, worksheets, checklists, spreadsheets, and more. We also walk you through not only planning one epic RV adventure, but 4 with different people, rigs, destinations, and traveling styles. We help you pick your epic major destination, figure out other things to do along the way to keep everyone happy, have a safe but fun driving route, and find those awesome locations to camp. Then we put it all together in one big plan, keeping the budget in mind and staying spontaneous if that's what you want. We even show you what to do when your plans have to change or things go wrong. And we're there for you. Part of this course is an invitation to our private Facebook community where you can meet other RVers and discuss your own travel plans with them and with us, getting help along the way. We cannot wait to meet you there and hear all about your exciting adventures. This course is valued at over $700, so join today at a huge discount. You get quarterly new modules, course updates for life, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's time for you to dive in and start planning your next epic RV adventure. We'll see you there.
Girls are like, you're weird.